Hey guys, I'm Nadine, the founder of Throdle, and today I am here with 2022 FD Prospec Rookie of the Year, Robert Thorne.
Yes, thanks for having me back. Happy to be back with Throdle for another year.
Awesome. So what have been the biggest changes moving from a Pro Spec to Pro?
Yeah, Pro, definitely the 8 rounds. 8 rounds and the competition. You don't have just 2 or 3 guys that you're worried about. You're worried about like most of the field. Everyone out here is a champion at some point.
I remember in Long Beach, you were up against Forrest Wang, right?
Yeah, right off the bat. Yeah, I've been with Forrest, James Dean, and Vaughn Gittin Jr. so far. And today I have Matt Fields. It's quite an experience, huge opportunity to be able to be out driving with these guys and learn from them. And we're still learning a lot about the car and what it takes to run on these big tires, how much more power is needed, how much harder we have to drive them. It's been a very steep learning curve, but I'm excited with how quick we're catching on.
How many other changes have you made to the car?
So this year, we upped the power, about 300 horsepower from last time. So much larger supercharger, built motor, and a GSR dog box for strength and reliability. Other than that, the car is exactly the same as it was. Very similar livery, but of course we have some changes with some sponsors coming on board. Koenig Wheels has come on to support us, as well as WiseFab and Momo seats. There's been a lot of changes this year as far as add-ons to the car.
Okay, so let's talk about tracks. For the first time you were able to go on Atlanta so far. What do you think? So some of these are new to you.
A big difference for me this year is getting into simulator driving.
Oh, okay.
So I now have a sim coach. Like when I got to Atlanta, I felt like I've literally done 1,000 laps at Atlanta over the winter. So I felt very comfortable right off the bat. Long Beach, different story. You can practice it all you want. It doesn't prepare you for the real thing. The grip changes on the different surfaces are really challenging.
The wall.
And the wall, you're right, yeah, walls kind of used to, but the grip changes are super interesting there.
So one last thing that people might not know about you is that you do racing. Do you want to tell us about your career in that?
Yeah, I've had a long history of road racing. That's my background. That's probably why I was able to pick this up so fast. Growing up in go-karts, moving into Formula cars, and then a number of years of GT racing. And it's still a huge passion of mine. The day I stepped into a drift car for the first time, it was the start of me worrying a little less about road racing because of how exciting this sport is and how quickly it's growing. And being able to do things cool, like hang out with Throdle.
Awesome. So if you had any advice for people who are looking to go maybe from Pro-Am to Pro-Spec and who want to go from Pro-Spec to Pro, what would it be?
Just keep an open mind, learn from everyone you can. Everyone is extremely friendly and helpful and are willing to give you advice. Everyone out here wants to see you succeed as much as you want to. Coming out here with a big ego is not going to work. You just got to come out and be ready to learn what you can.
Awesome. Well, let's cheer him on. Maybe he can be the Rookie of the Year for the Pro season. And if you want to learn more about Robert, check him out on the Throdle app. Thanks, guys.